Jermaine, my name.
Yeah.
Alright.
And which part of Jamaica?
And I come from, well, Kingston.
Yeah.
My family side come from Trelawney, a place named Warsop in Trelawney. But then in Samoa, I live here how much now? Well, I live here from 2010. But Samoa is like one big old garden bridge. Yeah.
The place
clean and the place nice and thing, and you know, the people them nice too.
Yeah.
But you know, everywhere you go, you have good and bad people.
Yeah.
Here, say for the year, you have like 2 murders for the year.
Welcome guys, welcome back to the Island family.
Yes, man, we're there.
This is your girl Maria.
The Island boy.
And little Island boy. Yeah. So guys, right now we are following our Jamaican. You go, babe, you go.
Yeah, a Jamaican that's living here in Samoa for years. How many years?
2009, he said.
Yeah, 2009. And yeah, so it's amazing to see that a Jamaican is living out here, and yeah, it's just amazing. Like, we've been talking from morning and things like that, and so much stories, and you know, so many things we've been talking about. It's really good.
We've been holding a vibe, you know, with Jermaine, that's his name.
Yeah.
I don't know if he wants to be on camera, guys, so we will ask him if he wants to be on camera and if he wants to shout out to all the Jamaicans that follow us, but obviously everybody from the Caribbean and also from all around the world. But like, yeah, we don't really want to be like too much in his face if he doesn't like cameras, because we understand like some people don't like cameras. But like, we'll find out and we'll let you guys know the outcome of that and see if he's able to get on the camera and big himself up and tell us a bit about how he ended up in Jamaica. How he ended up in Samoa and all of those things. Yeah.
Out of all places.
Yeah.
Like, it's not many out here. We asked him and he said it's like not. It's probably like the only one that have moved out here, but you have like Samoan like that from the, what do you say about the people that does the missions, like the pastors that went to Jamaica and stuff like that and does the mission, and they have kids in Jamaica and then move back to Samoa, but not necessarily many Jamaicans move into Samoa.
Yeah, so like, I'm just thinking, babe, do we have enough petrol though?
We're gonna have to get some, eh?
Yeah, well, if we're going country.
Yeah, we have to make him know. And look who's
Petrol's
driving.
back that way, not.
Oh,
yeah.
shoot, for real?
Yeah, so it's alright, we'll just go with it. Is it halfway or just under half?
Under half.
How under half?
Like, what's that, quarter?
Oh yeah, he's going to the petrol station. Cool. Alright, so guys, catch us in a bit.
We in the action?
Yeah, same to you. Is it Phil?
Almost.
Oh, we might get a little bit more. Yes, Babylon, where we began. Come on, Mr. Jamaica, sing us a little tune. Come on.
We're going through the hills and valleys, driving through Samoa, yeah, me love it. Why, oi? You know the vibes, yeah, we're rocking it. The island family in the island vibes. Every day, you know, we get up and live life. We're not gonna fuss, we're not gonna cry. Yeah.
When I go fuss, when I go cry.
Look on the jungle fall around in the road. But you know, when I go bounce them down the no. Bada bang bang, bada bang bang. Hey, 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 hey. And that's the pattern and the style and the vibe.
So there's no ackee here?
No, that's what the Jamaican guy was saying. No ackee. He tried to get someone to bring an ackee seed, but when it reached here, it was already like
fungus.
Yeah, start spoil. And yeah, me ask him like what kind of mango them have and thing. And
oh, they got all mangoes.
yeah, him say them have East India and Julie and all of that, but it's not mango season right, you know. It's like, yeah, so around December them time there.
Christmas time.
Yeah.
So if we're gonna come back here to Samoa, it has to be Christmas time to eat the Julie and the Eastern and and devour these mangoes for real.
Yeah, man.
Wow. That's so cool. And I noticed that Samoa has coconuts by the abundance, more than Fiji by the looks of it. Hey Island.
Hey,
What you doing back there?
my iPad's fried.
Oh, that's alright. You don't need the iPad. You can look outside the window.
It's not open door.
You don't need the open window. Do you want the open window?
Yeah, my window's not open door.
Oh, Dad, open his window. Look at this guy.
That is my face.
Up here. Alright. Just for a video. You got the free game.
Thank you.
Hello, lover.
You're welcome. Island.
Island, just chill.
Alright. You can English to them?
I don't have no shoes.
So tear your foot pop down. Eh? Watch out, I lift you all up.
Yeah, no.
No, easy.
Hey guys, so we're here. I go to a waterfalls before we go to where we're gonna be staying later. And the Jamaican that we've been telling you guys about is right here. Yeah man, before we even show up.
But we weren't sure, we didn't want to just film you and like you feel uncomfortable or something like that.
Yeah, maybe see FBI look.
Most wanted.
No, sir. What's his name? The big gangster in Jamaica?
Dodos.
Donos? Oh, look at him, you look like.
Resemble.
Yeah.
Yeah, nobody with the when I said Dodos, nobody have presumed they're Samoan.
Imagine that.
Yeah, hold on now, man.
Yeah man.
Yeah, man. I mean, name Jermaine, my name. Alright.
Now, which part of Jamaica?
And I come from, well, Kingston. My family side come from Trelawney, a place named Warsop in Trelawney. See? And my mother named Jennifer Hewitt. See, everybody know my mother.
Sure.
And people know my auntie too, Christine Hewitt. I used to do man talk and something there, and then they kill her.
Okay.
I my auntie that. So, yeah, that's over there. So, we're there in Samoa. I live here how much now? Oh, I live here from 2010 till now. I live here. Seeing I own a couple of businesses and so on. And you know,
COVID.
yeah, brother. When COVID come in, I run until the end of COVID now, 2022. I say, yo, this can't continue because everything double. Price, everything. Because remember, most of the stuff them here in Samoa imported. So when the price them start go up or something, I say, yo, cut that. See, you know, if you start something new. See, that's how I go. A part of life, if you start over, but I just, I hope people get affected in COVID.
And guys, real quickly, this is my new little baby. He's so cute. Look
Yeah,
at this. So cute. This is he's mine. I'm taking him back to Australia with me.
Yeah, man. You can't fit Jamaican. Yeah, let's find them father. Yeah, man. So the place nice and everything. Saying, cause my wife, she my original wife, my first wife. She is Samoan, but she died last year from breast cancer. You understand? So yeah, that's how it go. So I have million youth. I don't know man if I multiply, is it?
Yeah, yard man the play.
Yard man thing and another joke thing.
Yeah.
So I have a 7 youth I have done here. Seeing? So yeah, how much boy I have? I have in total a 9 youth I have. And I have 6 boy and 3 girls. Seeing?
Boys and 3 girls?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you busy man.
Yeah.
You're busy.
Then man have to, me tell you, we now come on earth and then they come on earth and then when they go back to Zion, see, God I say, yo, what go on down there so? Yeah, I go tell, look for God and say, yeah, hear me. Boy, you know, the thing never work out. No, you must look for me and say, yo, my youth, come over here so come take some massage and fix up back your thing.
You're going well.
Yeah, the thing sort out.
Plant some seed.
Yeah, and them grow proper. Yeah, man.
True, man.
Yeah, man, so I say I go still. The country is nice still.
Yeah, man, I love
from
it so far.
From a little, I used to have a pastor. Seeing, I have a pastor, and my pastor did come from Samoa. A bridging named Reverend Samuel Faya. Seeing, and he used to be a Methodist pastor. So him they have some little youth, you know, charisma and them little youth that we grew up with them. Seeing? Sure. So when we get the chance to come over here now, I come over here, come work on a project. And when I work on the project, the people them say they ask me to come over here, come stay for a particular period of time. So I go say boom and run through the entire Pacific. You know, Fiji, Papua New Guinea, Tonga, Vanuatu, all of them places. But Samoa is more commercial. In terms, them have the largest diaspora among the Pacific Islands, based on my knowledge. You understand? And if you want to start anything, you start it in Samoa and then you can branch out from there. So. See? Fiji was more like, is already, Fiji have a whole heap of industry. That's the name of for businesses and so on. You know, just like in Jamaica, you know, and Trinidad, it's similar. You understand? But Samoa is like a big old garden bridge.
Yeah.
You see the people them a while ago when them cut the road and the place clean. The place clean and the place nice and thing, and you know, the people them nice too. But you know, friendly. Everywhere you go, you have good and bad people. Here, say for the year you have like 2 murder for the year, and them murder they are like man and man a drink and then man and man fight and somebody dead. You understand? And like car accident, 1 or 2 car accident, people dead. But apart from that, you know, and the people them very respectful and them have them tradition. And I wish Jamaican could have stayed so, brother.
Sure.
See, man. I wish we could have go back. You remember back in our time when we grew up, and your village grew you, and your district. When they done school, and if you get your blast school, and by the time you reach home, and Sister Mary here say you never be at school, you get beaten, that's all.
Sure.
And when you reach home to your parents, now you get beaten up. Beaten up on top of beaten.
Sure.
When you wake up a morning time and thing and you go, because we used to go catch water. See, you go catch your water. That's how we grew up. See, we go catch water. I respect.
Sure.
You see a little old lady, you carry her thing them for her. And man a pass food across the fence. You know them little thing there.
Yeah, because even the experience in Australia, when I tell people, man, sometimes I even get an answer.
Cool, no, man.
You know,
and some like, thing superficial, Bridget. I can tell you, like, when we go to New York, I'm there in New York and I walk through Manhattan. And the man, them, you know, like morning, and you that thing say they must stop and wait for you to tell them, man. I have a discourse. That not happen, brother. The morning is just general. They just do that because of something to say.
True.
You understand? The same thing when they're Sydney. When they're at Sydney, at the same thing.
Yeah,
See,
man, it's a different experience.
Cool is a different place. You see, when they're there, Cairns now, Cairns kind of more homely. And people talk. You find like when you go north, because Cairns there in the north. And when you start go north, go around western side, you start get that homeliness because I'm most the country people, you know?
Yeah, when you get the cultural, like the people them from different culture, you start feel a different vibe amongst the people.
Yeah, man, I tell you, man. So, when there Samoa for a particular period of time, more time, I carry my mother come down here and my mother love it. Because when my mother come down here, she take picture all over. See, I'll see her thing when you go later.
Yeah.
She and Lenny a friend.
Oh, true.
Yeah, my business used to sponsor the Siva competition. Every year they have a competition with best fire dancer. And the best fire dancer, him get to go overseas and you know, most of them get to go like Hawaii, Japan, them place, them go perform in the resorts and them something there. See? And then they have the dancers, the women dancers. You see the Samoan dancers.
Them dance
are bad, brother.
Yeah, wiki with all them
man, with the hand them and you know them dance and like them a glide and thing. Yeah, proper thing, man.
Yeah, man.
See?
Different culture.
Yeah, man.
Even when they put the flowers in them ear.
Yeah, man, with the hibiscus and them call it a say.
Okay.
Yeah, so you have the plastic one, but them sell in a shop, but them call it say. And then you have the hibiscus, so them put there too. They have the when in the poinsettia. I don't remember the name of the flowers, so them use and put there too. Really nice, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, the place proper, brother.
I love it.
And the thing laid back, you know, now fast pace.
And not no rush.
And no rush. So don't you see have a plan.
Yeah. Yeah, even the speed, them even drive fast.
No, brother. Right, so
I love that.
I tell you, you know, it's the highest at 35 miles per hour. That's even for highway. 35 miles per hour, brother.
Yeah, tell us safety.
Yeah, man.
Everything has to
35 miles per hour, that's 52 kilometers per hour. That's the highest speed limit.
And in a Fiji, I think 80.
Yeah.
In a Fiji, because when we did it, they say 80.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
but when you look at you see the speed hump them in the road.
Yeah, everywhere.
Yeah. Victor, mind you hurt yourself.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, see?
Exactly.
Yeah, man, so the place nice still.
I love it.
Yeah, man, Samoa proper place, man.
Yeah, I don't recommend anybody.
Yeah, but the thing is that now, you know, a whole lot of things to do. If you're an eco-tourist, at the right place to for you. You understand? Because it's not commercial.
True.
Seeing everything in a raw, natural format.
Yeah.
Seeing it's not like we have Duns River and Duns River commercial.
Yeah, they make it that way.
The YS Falls commercial.
Yeah.
Here, so everything in a raw farm.
Yeah,
the only thing them do is try to set up a proper way for you to walk.
Yeah, get down there.
Yeah. But that's how it goes still. But place nice, man. It's a nice place for great children.
True.
See? And you make a youth them show respect to people. Yeah.
Full of discipline.
And full of discipline, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, a nice place to be, man. See? Yeah, you have one or two things, but we not dwell upon the negative, we love the positive.
True.
Yeah, man. Cool.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, but check out
the falls.
Waterfalls down here.
And this is the village here named Manuno.
Manuno.
Yeah. Yeah, there. A Manuno up here, sir. Manuno village. We tell them the name of the falls. They can film it when they go.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So.
Oh.
Yeah. And them do something down here too, you know. Because Survivor supposed to come here in June.
Oh,
the Survivor series,
Australia Survivor.
I don't know, so it film every year.
You know, say even what you me and my wife talk.
I can't carry girl in another place. But it's up on the other side of the island.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Got me that pre-fee tight, you know. Yeah, but even I'll start signing it up and thing. And a whole one length of farm you have to go through.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Now, man, I think that every year them keep it here, so I can carry go show you which part them deal with it. You see which part the airport there? International airport. So when you come out of the airport, you turn right and go around there, so. Man in Falelatai. Yeah, around there, so. Yeah.
Oh, man.
Where them Manono? Falelatai. Yeah, around that place.
Oh, look pretty down there, man.
Yeah, man.
Look at this one, people.
Everything in US dollars. expensive.
Which one?
Jamaica. It's expensive to live there.
Well, it depends on how you say expensive, you know. If
Right.
you go shop every day,
Yeah.
it's expensive in Jamaica. But if you have your linky there, your country link, and you know, so banana come and
Yeah.
you want come and yeah.
Yeah, man.
In the tourist areas, them love the whole for US dollar thing. The thing is that me can't even speak a long time in a Jamaica.
That's cool,
You're
man.
speaking good. You speak well.
No, yeah, me's a Jamaican, not a Jamaican. No, man, me not lose that, me I tell you.
True.
National identity that.
Yeah,
You're
man.
Jamaican. When you go, Jamaica live in UK, see? And when you go to UK, brother, it's a big Jamaica that. You go Birmingham and Brixton and them places, a Jamaica town.
True.
See?
See that for you.
Yeah, you see the Jamaican accent. Our important thing.
True.
See? I tell you, you know, lose that cool, no man.
Yeah,
and
man.
the girl them here say that, you know, and them want you to talk to them all day. You know, girl, go ahead.
Yeah.
To him.
Yeah, man.
To be in patois.
Yeah, I don't like. She always want me to talk to her in patois.
Yeah.
She just love it.
He better be careful, otherwise he's gonna have 10 kids if he talks to me in patois.
My youth, you know, I tell you, no? It's in a them time,
Yeah.
yeah, we have to hold it.
True.
You have to meditate.
Yeah.
You have to act like. And she have plan.
Yeah, tell
And
you.
youth.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I got a proper thing, man. We have hope for you, my girl. You know, it's nice to hear all women attack them way there. Because, you know, nowadays when women attack, them no want a youth and Bridging, they will go through they just published the list of birth rate.
Yeah.
Bridging in Jamaica, 1.3 Bridging.
I hate me that tell her.
Lowest in the entire.
You forgot I was just talking about that in the car?
Yeah.
Bridging.
Yeah, it's the lowest.
Bridging, you know what we do? We forgot Japan. Happy all people there Japan, the young people there Japan, brother.
Oh, yeah, I say.
Yeah, Bridging. Japan, currently, Japan, old people diaper sell more than baby diaper, brother.
True.
Yeah, and a joke, yeah.
So,
Yeah.
like one pit them have.
Sometimes they don't have none, them go to them life, no youth, brother. Yeah, you know what the man them a do, brother? In Nintendo, bigger Japan. And Nintendo, remember 5G and them something there in Japan, long time. See? So, when Nintendo do, they make a device where you can have your avatar. And when you buy your avatar, you can buy clothes for your avatar. You can take your avatar to dinner. You can do. And that demand them a date.
Yeah.
Avatar.
Yeah, because me even see all in China, them can rent woman because the man them not have no woman. Them not have a girlfriend, so them rent a woman for girlfriend
The
experience.
man them there with avatar, meaning that you have the avatar on your device. And the man them take care of the avatar just like how they want to take care of a real woman.
So then how do they...
But I can't understand the doing. I'm gonna say, yo, a joke thing.
Yeah.
Yo,
That's
I'm
all
gonna
right.
do with computer, brother.
Yeah, man, them.
What the hell?
Yeah, but even in Japan now, the woman them can rent a man. No, like in Jamaica, you have rent a Jordan.
I see him thing me I talk about in China. Them can rent a woman. Them rent a woman for like girlfriend experience and all them thing there.
Yeah,
and them not have sex with them, but it's
No,
just
they just go
take them out for
enjoy
dinner.
themselves and pay
Yeah.
for them and them someday.
I don't like,
Yeah,
you see
man.
that?
A big thing, a
And
joke thing.
this is I forgot your name, I apologize.
My name is Leah.
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 Guys. Leah
Yeah.
and the little one, Young.
Yan.
Yeah.
Young.
And she has the tribal tattoo if you don't mind
You
showing.
mind showing the tribal tattoo?
Yeah.
That
That's
is
them right
nice.
there.
That would have been painful, girl.
Yes.
Pain.
Can you imagine?
Far out.
Yeah.
Jeez. You're tough.
You see the guy the tattoo?
The tattoo, yeah.
So it's different from the current tattoo. Like the guy at it.
Up here. Yeah.
It's calm down.
And you only just the
It
leg.
starts here.
Oh,
Bridges.
Oh.
A tattoo there.
A princess this.
The man them go some boom and all in the man them bottom then did.
Oh, what you say?
The man that tattoo
Yeah,
about it.
everything.
No,
Bridging.
sir.
Hey, when me
That's
see the
a fire tattoo, go.
I said that tattoo there, a bad tattoo.
Yeah.
But then, Bridging, the pros and the cons.
Yeah.
Because them tattoo
Careful.
all the bottom region.
No.
See, no man not touch my bottom.
No,
number one.
we don't go there.
Number two, Bridging. All 3 weeks in a You know, heel.
Oh, no heel.
Yeah.
Wow.
I saw you have to walk. No, just imagine 3 weeks and my woman can't get nothing.
Yeah, oh.
Sorry.
No, sir. That's
in
serious
Samoa,
one.
They believe the boys, they do the circumcision, eh? Or it's not a big thing here? It's not a big thing.
Well,
All
it
right.
depends because remember circumcision was what, Catholic based.
Oh, is that? Yeah.
Yeah. So you have a lot of people who do circumcision. Cause like even my daddy, my kid's grandmother, I talk about circumcision. And me I say, yo, here what? You see in Africa, we not chop off with things. Sorry, our tool that. We not chop off none of our tool. I have proper tool.
Yeah,
so we have cut off piece of our tool.
So they're not forced, like
Sorry.
it's up to.
Circumcision, like the Jews, they do a lot of circumcision also. I don't know about the Arabs because I'm not really versed with that.
Yeah.
But no, we're not chop off none.
The reason why I asked you because I heard that a lot of Samoan people they do that for the sons because you know they have a belief that it's not good or whatever. It's up to the family. Each family is different.
Or the parents.
Yeah, that makes sense.
They're not forced or they have no rules.
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah. I like them.
If this is Xavier, this is Chavi. If this is Chavi.
I fall in love.
Chavi was a big old dolly that.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Oh, no.
Yo, come here.
Man, 12 million youth now.
Come.
True.
Come at them place here.
Come.
You know the family structure here big.
Yeah. This guys.
Family structure here big.
Wow. I can see there must be like a big eel that swims here, keep the water clean. Yeah.
The staff at the
And the
front.
staff too, yeah.
Yeah, they used to come clean.
Yeah, they look really nice, eh? This reminds me of a Reach Force. Reach Force. Oh, well, too bad. Oh no, and it goes, you can swim under the cave, guys, around, and it comes around and you can swim through there. So cool. So we definitely, you want to jump in? You have a feel? You got your shorts on? You can swim?
Next time.
You sure? Because you're gonna take us somewhere else, no?
Yeah, man, I carry
Yeah.
go all around the place.
Nice, yeah.
So
So guys, this is so cool to meet a Jamaican living in Samoa.
Yeah, man, Jamaican,
Honestly,
they're everywhere.
for
That's not
real.
telling no matter what.
Yeah.
Yo, you see, in 2014, they had the head of, what do you call it, SIDS, Small Island Development thingy here. And my youth, when the man
Island.
come down here, they're shocked to see Jamaican. And the thing is that at the time the restaurant are run, saying, a man them a say, oh, Jamaica this, Virgin. You see, all of that, you know, one night, 300 people have to cook for brother.
Oh, yeah, I see.
Yeah, man. A man them a say, oh, the food proper. Yo, Jamaican food we defend.
True.
So, yeah, we did that and donate money towards the Mapu Fangalele children's home, not children's, old people's home.
Oh.
Yeah, man, them just put money in our back, give it to Mapu Fangalele.
Oh.
That thing there.
Really
yeah, man,
good.
Place, man.
Yeah, man, look.
Jamaican, they everywhere, brother.
Everywhere.
Yeah, man.
You believe that now, may I tell you?
Go play with your
After
When you go, I don't know if the restaurant still open. When you go Gold Coast, there's a place named Mermaid Waters.
Mermaid.
Mermaid Waters in a Gold Coast.
Oh yes, we have been past there. Yeah.
Mermaid Waters.
Yeah.
Alright. So when you go Mermaid Waters, there's a shopping mall there. There's a restaurant in there named Jamra. Jamaican restaurant.
Really?
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I see. Now, we only been to one in Sydney.
Sydney,
But
yeah.
But not run by Jamaicans.
You don't know the appeal. I saw it going
they
up.
must sell the brand.
They might run with the thing.
Brand Jamaica.
Guess what? Them go so boom now. And even you see this cafe name, what's it, Cafe Blue or
Yeah, blue, Jamaica coffee.
the same
Jamaica
thing.
Blue.
Jamaica.
Blue.
A
Yeah.
white people thing and all
Yeah,
thing.
yeah.
See,
I see
and
them
them
thing.
say a Blue Mountain Cafe.
I see them thing them did tell we.
Yeah, we
when
did ask.
when we
Yeah.
asked,
They
and them
said
tell we say I'm
they
from
used to-
Jamaica.
They said they used to get the coffee bean from Jamaica,
but
Yeah.
but too
there.
expensive.
Colombian coffee them are use.
Yeah, that's I
Yeah.
use the brand.
Yeah,
The brand.
that's the brand.
Yeah.
I only put thing them I do with
Why
Jamaican
don't you do
thing.
Jamaican food here now?
Yeah, me tell you, me not go back in a restaurant thing for now.
Really?
Yeah, let me tell you something. I had a restaurant thing. It named Nella's. Nella's restaurant. It was, at one time, my restaurant was one of the largest restaurants on island. See, I have 4 locations. But I have, I have a drive-through, and I have 3 other locations. And that included a cafe at the National University. See? And it's rough bridging for run restaurant in other places. See? Because majority of the stuff that I use for seasonings and those things, since I started the restaurant 2010, things have changed. Because before you never have access to a lot of stuff where you have to bring in from overseas. And when you start to price it and everything, it the middle class is now expanding. But before, you must have a lot of people who work small jobs, you understand? And then you have the business people and people who work with government and so on. Now you start to get that change. Now you start to have a mid-income type of thing as well.
Okay.
But during that time, you have to know how you price the thing.
True.
So your cost is this and your profit is this. You understand?
So it's hard to really survive.
To survive. So my restaurant open from 8 in the morning till 12 midnight. That's every day except Sunday, brother. See? So that means me there here from 7 in the morning till 1, 2 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, you take a whole eat.
Yeah, but it's a thing I love. But the work rough, seeing? Whole heap of hours, whole heap of time, seeing? Oh. Yeah, man. So when I started the restaurant, 80 at the time I had like about 80 square meters, 80 square feet or something like that. And when I was finished with that, I had the drive-through alone was very big. The building alone that the drive-through was on was about a quarter acre.
Wow.
Yeah, that's very big.
Wow.
And,
yeah,
and the type of food?
We did like, we were known for fried chicken.
Oh, okay.
Because when I came here in 2009.
Yeah.
Ending at 2009 because my son...
Whereabouts was this? Was this in Vitele?
We had Vitele, we had in town.
I think I tried it in Vitele once upon a time.
Serious?
Yeah. The chicken,
Nella's chicken, known. When we came here, the only drive-through that was here was McDonald's. Yeah. I'm a small youth, man. I don't open money. See, I'm a build a brand to the point where we could have opened the drive-through. And I tell you, all of this I'm me alone, brother. See? Yeah, not like I have a big team and yeah, man, I pay war the market, man. Marketing, marketing.
Competition.
Height. Yeah. When I went to Vitele, everybody laughed at me. Why my God, Vitele, nobody know there Vitele, blah blah blah. My youth Vitele buy me house, buy me land.
School, eh?
Yeah. See? Yeah, because Vitele at the time, Vitele is still the largest residential area in Samoa.
Okay.
See? Now, people leave Vitele and come to town in the days for work. But at night, everybody they're home. Back then, you never have so much motor vehicles as you do now. See? Back then, you used to have 1 or 2 motor vehicles and stuff, and so on. So people can't leave them house at night and come town. Only people who have the access and can pay a taxi or have vehicle already can do that.
Okay.
See? So me see that. In the day, I'm busy. But in the night, I'm slow. And I say, what I want? So when I do my research, I realize majority of the people who I get come from Vitele. I say, here what I want. I go open my restaurant in Vitele. So remember, I opened in 2010. So this is 2012. See, and I look through and I say, alright then. I look at location, couldn't find anywhere. See, I couldn't find anywhere until in 2012 something happened. And so I get the location and thing. Do a small, but I made the restaurant just take out only. See, that was the plan. Just take out only. Maybe like Nella's Express.
Yeah, I think I had just a takeout. It was
at the time.
At the time.
Yeah, so I do take out only. Virgin. So I open today. We get a phone call. Hey, our friends want to come and eat. Virgin. I have the space so I can put in chairs. Just they want takeout. You know what I have to do? I have to run, got the town shop, pack up some of the chair and table them and carry them to and that's how it started. Yeah. No, man,
so there was a guy here too when I came like 2014, right? 2013, 14. I can't remember exactly. But then the internet wasn't so great.
Yeah.
And there was only one internet cafe that was running in Asia.
The American guy.
No, I think he was African. He looked African.
Yeah, but he's an American guy.
Oh, was he American?
Yeah.
Oh.
All right. So you see when you go in town, you have Latemau.
Yeah.
And then across the road from Latemau, that was where it was. He used to sell DVDs as well, rent DVDs. I know him. Yeah, man.
I remember that because I used to come and speak to my family because the internet was bad.
Yeah.
So I used to come to internet cafe and email and things like that because that was
Okay.
No, at the time just only we were the only two black men here with businesses.
Oh.
Yeah, and then after that now, he closed down his business after a particular time because he went back to the US. That is based on the understanding I got. And then at the time I am the only black man here with a business. See? And then now you had JJ, which is a Nigerian guy.
Okay.
He came here, he was working for somebody, then he started his own mobile phone thingy. JJ.
What was he doing? Fixing mobile?
Fixing mobile phones, sell computers and refurbish computers and those things.
Smart guy.
He closed his business the other day. So I made the only black man here where, you know, like with a business.
Yeah.
Yeah, and everybody knows a Jamaican.
Yeah,
you understand? Yeah, man.
Stand
I when I left for a thing, you know, brother.
True.
But why not Jamaican food?
The restaurant, no, you see, when you do business, you have to do it based on the customers. You understand? Now, a lot of the food that Jamaicans cook with a lot of spices. See? And I don't think, in my opinion, this is my opinion, other people look at it different. I don't think I must water down Jamaican food. See? However, there are things in the Jamaican cooking that you can use. There are elements that you can use, so that is what I did. See? Sure. Now, on Fridays we used to have jerk chicken, rice and peas and then something. So we did that on Friday. Yeah. So every Friday people know say, yo, jerk chicken dead. So them come for jerk chicken and so on. See? But you know, like, I'll give you an example. I do rice and peas. Lady come, buy the rice and peas. And she asked me what raisin doing in the rice. Alright, next thing, how the rice look the color there, look red and red. So me I say, alright then, obviously someone I don't know what.
True.
See? So these are the things we have to face when you try something new. You understand?
True.
And based on profit, you can't always do them something there. You understand? You can do it as a special, like somebody, you have pockets that will order it. They say, okay, I'll cook that for you. So when they say, yo, you can order it, it takes X and Y time to prepare, we'll do that for you. So them order today, tomorrow them come pick up. Sort of thing. But put it on a restaurant menu, at that time, no. Maybe no, because now you start to have Indian. Chinese was always here because the Chinese are an integral part of the Samoan culture. Okay. Chinese have been coming to Samoa since 1878.
Wow.
See? 1878.
They're part of most of the development.
They're indentured workers. See, because back then when the New Zealanders used to own plantation, they got Chinese to come over and work the plantations for them. You understand? So they themselves now built businesses. You have the Chan Maos, you have the Ali Kids, Ching, Chong.
You Chan Mao down the supermarket there?
Yeah.
It closed down. They have a wholesale now.
No, they always had the wholesale. The wholesale burnt.
Supermarket. It used to be a supermarket.
No, listen. Where the wholesale is, that's the old building. The new supermarket is up the road. And that meant telling enough people. That was where my restaurant was. Alright, so when I started, I rented from them. I'm in the Armour Mall. See? In Armour Mall, you know, we have one shop. So I started June 2010. By December 2010, I had 3 shops. So I have to extend for seating. You understand? See? When the business started to grow, I would say we wanted to do the drive-through. That old supermarket was supposed to be refurbished when they built the new supermarket. And that would have been Nella's. So if you look right at McDonald's there, you have a little drive-through. Before you go to the McDonald's drive-through, that was the drive-through. You understand? So where the wholesale was, they had a fire.
there was a fire then?
Yeah, so the wholesale had a fire.
Right.
So they moved the wholesale to the old supermarket building and everything because the new supermarket was already open.
Okay.
And then now, on the new supermarket, you know, like when you go Coles and those things, you have the fresh produce market before you go into the supermarket. That's the concept they had. But the concept never take off. That was new to Samoa.
Right.
So when we were seeing that, the delay, we said, here what, can we take the fresh produce market and turn it into a drive-through? Because the elements are already there. They said, okay, no problem. And that's what we did. So I built that out from scratch. See? Had the drive-through.
So many.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
See? So we had the drive-through and everything there. See? When the COVID came now, there ain't no restaurant business. If you don't have customers, you don't make money.
True that.
How bad was COVID here though? How bad would you say?
Well, it's hard to put a figure. Alright, the local economy was running, but elements to support the local economy wasn't there. Remember here, you have tourism, remittances, that sort of thing run this local economy. No, so flights were basically, you could bring in stuff. You see, so trade flights, you know, cargo could come in, and then once or twice a month you had planes that come over, but those people you put in quarantine. You never have a lot of tourism going on that time. See, my restaurant was a big tourist area, big tourist thing. You know, a lot of tourists used to come to my restaurant.
For real.
Now the locals, local people, a lot of them, they are getting money from people who are working overseas. Now a lot of those people didn't have any jobs anymore. There's no remittance. So that impacted the thing. Now when you look at that, there was another thing that happened. They had like a farm work program. Now the farm work program was, they looked at it to alleviate what was happening, where they would send Samoan citizens overseas to work on the various farms. Alright, but I don't know, things slipped through the cracks. So the people who are working locally, because based on how they set up the system, the people who are working not supposed to go on the farm work program. And you found that a lot of them went on the farm work program. So what happened now, before those people who were working locally, they were supporting the local businesses. Because they're getting paid and they're spending money. Now with them gone, there's no replacement. And not only that, for the businessman, he had spent a lot of money to train most of these people. So there goes the brain drain. So you don't have the money to spend because the money not trickling as much as possible as how it used to, because it's COVID. And your knowledge gone.
True.
So I tell you, man, Virgin, when they started to have lockdowns, I tell you, like, they had the first set of lockdowns, they had, I think we had to stay home for about a week and a half or so. Then they put us like on 4 hours, like you can only open, alright, well, 6 to 2, but we had to tail like 8 till 12. Have to give the staff time to come to work and time to go home, because we have to clean up our son. And the law was...
Island, come back please.
Yeah, the law was after 2 o'clock, nobody's supposed to be on the road. I'm not telling you. Kill the business, Bridget.
COVID time was the worst.
No man, COVID wicked, Bridget.
Well, I had Ireland during COVID time. I had come back to Australia. We filed for him to come, but they wouldn't let him through because of COVID. And had to wait, give birth. And we're still waiting for his papers, all that sort of thing. Still didn't come through, so I said,
Mom, can you buy me some coins?
Okay, in the car.
Bridget, a tough thing, brother.
Man.
During that time, wicked, man.
Up that way.
Then he came to Australia in 2021, August. But he quarantined 2 weeks. They charged him 3,000 now.
Yeah, and it was more than 2 weeks, because what happened was the 2 weeks was supposed to be up, then they found someone with COVID. So I had to spend like, everybody had to stay back for like 3 more days. Around that.
Man.
That's crazy.
It's a wicked thing, Bridget.
Man.
Yo, when COVID licked, Bridget, I tell you, because before COVID we had measles,
Wait, sorry
Yeah.
guys, sorry.
See?
Measles.
Yeah, we had a measles pandemic.
Oh, yeah, sir.
See? Well, it was epidemic.
Yeah.
Yeah, they call it.
Yeah.
See? So we had a measles epidemic. This was when? End of November 2019.
Yeah.
So, oh, so I forgot.
Yeah, it's a star apple tree. This tree.
The red one?
Them have the
In serious?
Yeah, them call it
Jamaican apple.
they call it noni.
Really?
Yeah, noni. In Jamaica we call nonu. Noni.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, they call it noni. But
Not in season, right?
I don't think so.
So if somebody interested to come to Samoa, would you be interested to show them around?
Yeah man, no problem man, I can link up man. Anybody man.
Yeah, on Instagram or Facebook, or you just want to
You
give
know,
them.
so me none of them something brother.
Yeah, yeah.
But cause me's a boy, me's a bridge, you know. Alright, I come from a telco background. I understand them something there.
Social
See?
media.
Yeah, social media thing. When you go up on Facebook and them thing there, when you look on the farm and thing where you feel, it reminds you of the visa farm
True.
where you got embassy. Where your business want to know them something there
Yeah,
for.
all
They
of
want
that.
to know where your family, they want to know who your family linked to.
True.
They want to know all of your friends them.
I don't lie.
So yeah. So, what I do still?
If you have an email or anything you want,
Yeah man,
so them can contact you.
I can shout
Or a
out
phone
an
number,
email.
anything.
Yeah man.
Yeah, you
so
can.
them can look for there you go. Jeres
Yeah,
1999 at yahoo.com.
yeah.
So JERES 1999 at yahoo.com.
Alright.
See, so them can use that.
Yeah.
And then my phone number now them can call plus 685 765 1073.
Alright.
Yeah, but the Facebook thing and them something them
Yeah.
my brother, I not see why a man for know all of them something there.
For real.
I know the next thing about Facebook, cause you know if a woman a eat her dinner, she
Yeah.
a take picture. This is what me eat. If a woman go buy something or a man go buy something, them a show all this away. So them know what you like.
Yeah,
they know your weak
everything,
points.
Everything.
Everything they know about you, brother. Yeah, and
Yeah,
my
man.
thing. And my thing. I like keep my life a certain way.
Yeah, at the era
See?
of social media now.
Social
you know,
media
so
thing,
them do
a
it.
joke thing, brother.
Yeah,
Saying, it's nice to keep in contact. Like
Yeah.
you use Messenger and call my mother and thing,
True.
or me use WhatsApp and thing and call my mother
true.
and thing. Yeah. Oh, them can use the same number there. Plus 685 765 1073
Yep.
on WhatsApp.
Ah, cool. Yeah,
Saying I
man.
link up the dog.
Yeah, so
See?
anybody interested, reach out to him.
Yeah,
and
man. Link up,
he
man.
must show
and
you
thing.
around and
Show
teach
you
you.
around and thing, cause we travel around the place a whole lot of time. I'm not too versed in a Savai, but Opulu, yeah. Savai is my favorite place. Yeah, I go to Savai, brother. And I tell him, I go to Savai and stay at one hotel one night. This was 2008. And I have a thing, I don't know, in Jamaica, you know, the gift of sight. You can see Duppy and them.
Yeah, yeah.
Virgin. A million Duppy, me see walk up and down.
You serious?
In a night.
Oh, there.
I'm in my room, brother. I Duppy just walk up and down in my room. Like me, not like this place. Sorry. No man, Savaya man.
Yeah.
Are the old spirit over the summer.
Yeah, because I've been here about that in a Samoa, like.
You know, like we as Jamaicans, we
Yeah.
have a little beliefs.
Yeah, we
and
know
stuff.
about them.
Everybody have their little beliefs in
Yeah.
any culture where you go.
Yeah.
See, but Savai over there, so you have a dormant volcano. See, in the middle of the island. See, and things. So you find say that are the old Samoa. You understand? Opulu relatively new. No old people never used to live on Opulu before. Savai was the epicenter activities until when you had the world wars and stuff, and then the Americans start to come over here. Majority of Opulu used to be plantations. Yeah, likewise in Savai. But majority of the people used to live in Savai.
Okay.
See, so that's why when it comes to Samoa now, you see the mixed colored people, because the original Samoan people were black people.
That's what may I try to get the history of like Samoa, like.
Alright, because we can carry out a museum. Saying them have a museum just right in the town, that's saying right around on the Ministry of Education. Saying you can go to the museum and everything is there. You can go and take a look. You have books you can buy. We have a bookshop They can tell you how the Chinese came here and so on. You have a book named Tawese, who basically talk about, at the time Tawese was one of the richest person in Samoa, you know, back in the late 20s and so on. And the same thing like how Marcus Garvey and them thing there. And they fight for the freedom of them people, you know, and then the government goes a boom and make them have to run left them country and thing. Since Tawese was one of them man there. You have the Mao movement that happened in Samoa as well. And most of the people them in the Mao movement, one of them they shoot. Or them have a peaceful demonstration and them shoot the man. See? And then now after that them gather up everybody and send some of them go Guam and all kind of. So everywhere you go in the Pacific, South Pacific, you have a Samoan enclave. You understand? See? Yeah man, and so them get them independence. Them get them independence the same way like we 1962. See? So Samoa actually got independence before Jamaica. See? Because they got their independence on the 1st of January 1962. Now Samoa gonna cuss you and say, oh, I lie my tell, 1st of January is not the Independence Day. But the Independence Day is the 1st of January. It was celebrated on the 1st of June. Yeah. Enough people don't know that in Samoa already.
You know the history.
Yeah, I come here, I tell you, sir, I love the place, brother. I'm come here and I learn about the place and learn about the culture, learn about the people them. Cause a 6 Samoan youth me have. Since me can, when them go to school and come home in the evening and me I try help them with them homework. Them can't go around and go say, boy, daddy fool. Daddy don't know what go on.
True.
Yeah man, so daddy have to bright up him thing.
Makes sense.
Yeah man.
Yeah
see?
man.
Yeah man, so that's the things that brother. Yeah man.
Yeah man, I'm glad, me happy we could have meet a Jamaican out here because we never did expect that, you know, so that's really good for know, you see.
Yeah man, a place a proper man. They have hope for Jamaicans to come here come work. Because they have like the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Because Samoa is going through transitions that we actually went through in the late 80s, early 90s. Since so like, you know, the whole free trade agreements with WTO and all of them something there. That is where they are at now. They are making the whole changes are happening with that. You know, them actually ratify the WTO treaties and stuff. So they are a part of WTO. So that's why Victor!
Up this way.
Alan, come. See? So that's why you can find that, you know, the place kind of open to certain things now that they weren't open to before. See, in 2008, it was approved for them to change the side, because they used to drive like the Americans. See? And then now them change it to how the British drive. Them change the side of the road. And then now you started the Japanese imports. See? So in 2009 September, I think it was approved. That was when it started. And then that's why you have an influx of Japanese imports. So when you come here, they carry them when you just see a Jamaica.
I see him think I realize.
So
Pro Box,
the Pro Box and them something there. Them thing there, you know, are gone. And then now them change the timeline, because before we were on the US timeline, see? So them shifted back now, so we're on the Australian timeline. So that was the original thing before. See? Back in 1901, they had made that switch back, you know, to the American side, because at the time America was their biggest trading partner. So now they switch back to this side because China, Australia, New Zealand are their biggest trading partners. You understand? So that was done. Now I give you a joke. Yeah, you know the 7-day Adventist people them. See? So the 7-day Adventist people them, remember it was changed in 1901, around that time they changed. The timeline changed. So them used to Saturday. You know, and them, you have basically 2 generations or 3 generations grow up with Saturday being the Saturday it is. When the Prime Minister changed it, see? The people them cuss the Prime Minister over it. Yeah. So what you have now in Samoa, you have some 7-day Adventist churches, but actually churches on Sunday.
Because of that.
But the thing is that if them didn't know them history, they would have realized that I reset the thing back to the original thing. So all this time from 1901 till now, you did celebrate Saturday on the wrong day.
Yeah.
You understand? So when the man gets a boom and switch
Switch
back
it.
the thing now, them vex to the Prime Minister and say, yo, so you have enough Seventh-day Adventist church
Yeah.
where celebrate, where them do them mass
Yeah.
on a Sunday instead of a Saturday.
Gotcha.
Yeah, the place virgin.
Full of some history,
Yeah,
man.
full of things virgin.
Yeah, man, good for Noah. Yeah. I hope you all are enjoying this video because
Yeah, alright, no worries.
Up to Ireland.
great
Oh, they're
information.
playing, you know, kids will be kids.
Oh, wow.
Them do that what they do.
Oh, wow, I mean,
That's
drop
okay.
again.